In this video, we will talk about the phone integration, also known as TeleTracker. This process gives you the ability to look at incoming calls coming in, be prompted to perform specific actions based on a phone number. The initial setup is done by going to Company, Setup screen, clicking on TeleTracker phone integration on the right hand side. You will need to have an account with one of the two providers, that being either IVR Technology or Call Potential. In this particular example, IVR Technology is chosen. That's why we see the green check mark. To set this up, you would click on the Setup button. Then the particular partner would be chosen from the list. You would add campaigns with a name, tracking number, which represents the phone number associated with your given advertising method, along with a start date and potential end date. If you don't have an end date for that particular campaign, leave it blank. So for example, you may have a phone number for Google AdWords and another phone number for Facebook ads. That way, when the phone number is initially called by your prospect or customer through IVR technology in this case, our reporting will recognize which phone number and which method of advertising brought in that particular person. When the phone comes in, the phone integration option will be enabled. The person dials in and this particular pop-up comes up. You have an option to launch at startup. When the person calls in, we will see their caller ID, and if that caller ID matches a respective lead or tenant, you will see their information in terms of name, company, address, and so on. If it was an existing customer, we have different options to do a move-in, take a payment, move out. If it's a lead, we could edit the lead, put in a new lead if it's a new prospect. If it's an existing customer, we can check their account. This would be someone that wanted to call and see, for example, what their balance is. Whenever we choose a respective option, this pushes that data to our call tracking report. At the bottom of the screen, we have a caller ID log, which will show each of the phone numbers that came in, along with the particular action that was done. In the report section, we have a specific report called TeleTracker Activity. You can choose daily, weekly, monthly, along with other period options. Once we come in the report, it'll show us the tracking number along with the activity that came in. For example, what were the leads? How many move-ins do we have? Payments, and so on. Along with the specific activity relating to the tracking number, campaign, leads, and other functions relating to that specific number.